I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use corned beef. Corned beef is essentially a beef brisket that has been cured in a salt brine, often with various spices like peppercorns and bay leaves. This process gives it its distinctive flavor and tender texture. It's a remarkably versatile ingredient, perfect for everything from hearty main courses to quick and easy snacks. Understanding its basics opens up a world of culinary possibilities for your kitchen. Let's explore some beloved classics. The iconic corned beef and cabbage is a staple, especially around St. Patrick's Day, offering a hearty and satisfying meal. Then there's the famous Reuben sandwich, a delicious combination of thinly sliced corned beef, tangy sauerkraut, Swiss cheese, and Russian dressing on rye bread. For breakfast or brunch, corned beef hash, often served with a fried egg, provides a savory and filling start to your day. Don't let any delicious corned beef go to waste. It's fantastic for leftovers. You can easily shred or dice it to make delicious quesadillas, adding a unique savory twist. Another great idea is to incorporate it into a comforting potato soup, enhancing its richness and flavor. Or, for a crispy treat, mix it with mashed potatoes and pan-fry them into delightful fritters, perfect as a snack or side dish. To get the best out of your corned beef, slow cooking is key. Whether boiling, baking, or using a slow cooker, ensuring it becomes wonderfully tender. When slicing, always cut against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly soft and easy to chew. For storage, keep any cooked leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 3 to 4 days, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.